Welcome back to Dreamdrop Stories. Last time, Spider-Man swung into action to escape a mirror trap. Now, above Earth's orbit, Iron Man's most advanced satellite just went rogue. The emergency alert. It reads, Orbital Sentinel has been overridden. Source, unknown. Tony Stark, aka Iron Man, narrows his eyes. That thing controls 12 defense drones. If it's hacked, so are they. Jarvis, reroute all power to the uplink. I'm going to need a lot of firepower on standby. Suit up and launch. In a flash, Tony blasts into the sky. He's upgraded for this mission. His new high-altitude suit is sleek, silver and reinforced for deep space. All right, let's go fix my billion-dollar mistake. The broken code. Reaching the satellite, Tony sees strange purple code crawling across the screen. This isn't mine. Someone hacked this remotely. This close to Earth, there's no way. Then he spots a small opening. A maintenance hatch. Perfect. Maybe I can manually override it. But before he can move, alarms blare. Drones awaken. On the ground, people look up in awe and fear as the drones activate one by one. Their targeting systems lock onto Earth. Not today. Iron Man shoots out a web of crimson energy, blasting the first drone out of the sky. Streaks of red and blue light paint the sky as the drones rain laser fire down on him. One by one, Iron Man dodges, weaving through their barrage. He fires back, disabling one drone after another. But they keep coming. There must be hundreds more. Jarvis, how many did I take out? At least 32, sir, but the stream seems endless. Override beacon detected. Jarvis alerts, source of the hack is inside the satellite. Tony breaks in through the same hatch he tried earlier. Inside, he finds a glowing purple alien device hidden in the satellite's core. It looks like a beacon, sending a distress signal to some unknown source. But what's that countdown? Timer starting now. 60 seconds. If this thing hits 0, every single drone will strike Earth. Tony rips off his helmet and shouts, "There's no way I'm letting that happen." Countdown. 50 seconds. He needs a plan and he needs it fast. Suddenly, Tony has an idea. He connects his helmet directly to the alien device. Override my override. Let's see who's smarter. The purple light envelops him as he fights to maintain control. Can he shut down the drones without harming the satellite or himself? 40 seconds. The answer is yes, but it's risky. Disconnecting his suit's external power supply, Tony goes all in. His body becomes a living battery, pushing the satellite to its physical limits. The timer ticks down, 20 seconds. Will it work? The answer is yes. But with only 1 second left, he overloads the system, sending a massive surge of electricity through the alien device. Final seconds save. With 1 second left, the satellite powers down. The drones freeze in place. Earth is safe. Safe for now. Tony floats above Earth, exhausted but proud. Even the smartest tech needs a human heart to guide it. The end. Hey, little dreamers, thanks for watching. If you liked this story, don't forget to share your thoughts below. See you next time.